Hello, Stella. That's it.
What would you like the barbecue?
Work those legs, Cora.
Whatever you want. What do you want, barbecue? You can see what they got there.
Okay.
They have pretty good produce too, so like I've even bought corn from the grocery store. But
We could grow some vegetables. Asparagus is good.
yeah, they have so they have pretty good fish if you want to get fish, or they have actually some Portuguese sausage